Eureka 2 confirming vehicle hit district, not NHP.
Suspect vehicle, mile marker 27 is where we're at. And we may be stopping,
He's off. Eureka 1, crash.
Right.
Signal to all traffic. Not fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
I think he's laying down. I can turn him please by my head.
Yeah! Right front! Right front!
Shots fired. Number 23.
Well, no, I don't. Sheriff's office, come out with your hands up! Eureka 1, get Elko County SWAT team. I have no visual. I have no visual. Sheriff's office, let me see your hands! We can resolve this. No one's hurt. Come on. Come out with your hands up now. Sheriff's office, come out with your hands up!
Where are you at?
29, southbound.
You Ryan?
A firm, we're doing about 80. NHP's in front of me.
Roger.
Copy. Dispatch, if you can call NHP and tell them that we have spikes so NHP doesn't get hit by them.
Do we know where the spikes are at? I have NHP landline right now.
Eureka 1 has the spikes.
Received. Eureka 1.
Eureka 2, I have him Eureka 1 in sight. He is about mile marker 28. I'm assuming that NHB can see him as well.
Eureka 1, Eureka 8 is requesting where you want him staged.
Send him northbound.
Restage.
Pull the spikes, pull the spikes. Eureka 2 appeared that we did get a spike strip hit.
Eureka 2, restage. Confirming that the suspect vehicle hit the strip, not NHB.
Affirm. Suspect vehicle, mile marker 27 is where we're at. And we may be stopping, we may be stopping. We just wrecked, we just wrecked. Let me see your hands!
Trust your hands!
Let me see your hands!
Hands now!
Hey, watch yourself, one! He's in front! Front right! Let us see your hands! Let us see your hands!
Stop, just about 23.
I can see it! Hey, right front, right front! Right front, right front! I think he's laying down. I just heard him whiz by my head.
Right front, right front!
I don't have visual. Do we have a visual one? No.
Behind you.
He was right front, right front.
You got visual?
Yeah, right front, right front.
Exchanging gunfire.
Let us see your hands.
Come on, you wish, sir.
No. That door is.
Okay.
No.
No?
I'll shoot through the back.
Okay.
Was he moving you last time?
Yeah, I saw his head. I've heard two go.
Is he in the truck or something?
No, he out front, in front.
Can he crawl through that sagebrush and get around us? Probably.
Yeah, probably. He's got red hair. No visual. Let us see your hands. There's no reason for this.